In this video, I will show you how to identify and recover missing information from your YouTube playlists when videos have been deleted or set to private. We have all experienced that frustrating moment when you open a favorite playlist only to find a gray box labeled deleted video with no title or artist name to help you remember what it was. To solve this, I am walking you through a specialized tool called Quite a Playlist. On the home page, you can see the interface is incredibly straightforward, featuring a search bar where you can paste the URL of your specific playlist or even just the link to an individual deleted video. The site works by searching through its own database and external archives to find the metadata that YouTube has removed from your view. As we look at the demo, you will notice that this tool is fully compatible with the YouTube mobile app, making it easy to troubleshoot your library on the go. If you are unsure how it works, you can even try the sample playlist option to see the recovery process in action before you use your own links. The service is a lifesaver for music collectors and educators who rely on curated lists. If you find the tool helpful for restoring your lost digital content, there is an option to support the developer, Shubham, through the Buy Me a Coffee link at the bottom of the page. This simple workaround ensures you never lose track of a great video again just because it was pulled from the platform. I hope this guide helps you reclaim your favorite content. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you.